In this video, we are going to find the value of 4 plus 4, then divided by 2 times 6 minus 2. Alright, this 4 plus 4 gives us 8. This 6 minus 2 gives us 4. Then this 2 times 4 gives us 8. And lastly, this 8 divided by 8 is gonna be 1. If your answer is 1, you are wrong. Why? Because to solve this type of questions, we need to follow a set of rules that is called the order of operations. The order of operations can be remembered by PEMDAS. Each letter stands for different operation. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M multiplication, D division, A addition, and lastly is subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division share same level, also addition and subtraction. Now we are going to follow this PEMDAS to solve this question one more time. First, parentheses. So I do operation inside the parentheses. This 4 plus 4 gives us 8. This 6 minus 2 gives us 4. So it is going to be 8 divided by 2 times 4. Remember, number next to parentheses, which means multiplication. So I write it in the form of 8 divided by 2 times 4. Next, we have division and multiplication. As you know, multiplication and division share same level. So in this case, should we start with division or multiplication? Remember, when we have both multiplication and division in one expression, you need to start your work from left and go to the right. Okay, left one, in this case, division. So first I do division. 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. So it can be written in the form of 4 times 4, which means 16.